I have a share today USA any company logo. Okay, USA any company logo. So first USA any company logo or USA name logo or UK United States America Japan, Netherlands, and any country logo. How to create any country logo? Okay, how to create a USA logo and how to create any country logo and any name. Okay, so first search the name PIXELLAB Pixel Lab. This app already installed. Please you application first install and open now. Okay, so friends, my application is open and get this video first typing. Okay, typing USA, your company name USA CNP Co Ltd. Okay, and enter your logo first making and any design and anything. Okay, you have a first design your logo and fill up this area. Okay, and remove background. Okay, remove background image and edit and remove this background image. Okay, and your country and stock with 12%, anything's your wish. Okay, and font, my font font to font. Okay, show to font. Okay, so to font and logo and anything's font, use font, use anything's font, size font. My font already installed CNP company limited, CNP. Okay, CNP company, and any letter color, any letter color. Okay, any letter color and anything. You better quality and long time editing and better quality logo. Okay, better quality logo. You have a long time editing and better quality logo. Okay, better quality and your color is very beautiful and font style bold Italian, anything. Okay, and capacity, your font capacity. Okay, and your font 3D style and anything. Okay, font background and font background okay, 3D text. This is very amazing. Okay, 3D text, this is very amazing. This is very amazing. Okay, very amazing. Wow, interested, very amazing 3D text logo. Okay, 3D text logo, 3D short. Wow, 3D shot, 3D shot text, reflection, embedded, you back to down letter, reflection, okay, you have it down, okay, save this logo and click here save file, save as image, and save type JPG, PNG, anything, okay, save this file JPG and save to gallery, okay, save to gallery and save now, okay. This ad cross, okay, and save successful your gallery, okay. This file has been saved and create now. Thank you for watching this video.